Hey gorgeous, today we are looking at living your dreams fully, which means every day stretching into discomfort to create a life you love. Let's get to it. Welcome to the Powerhouse. Vanessa Long here, coach, trainer, and creator of Discovering Your Passion and Purpose and the Seasons of Success seminars. All right, it's time for your mojo moment in which I share with you one of my favorite quotes and give you a power tip to take that inspiration and make it practical so you can use it in your life right away. For regular motivation and inspiration, hit that subscribe button and ring that bell so you get notified when we have new content. Today, we are looking at Infinite Possibilities by Mike Dooley, page 50. Enjoying your life today by living your dreams to the degree you presently can is perhaps one of the most powerful things you can do toward expanding your belief system. What I love about this quote so much is the reminder to dream, first of all, and secondly, to step fully into that dream as fully as we can in the moment. You see, the problem is that everything you want that you do not have is on the other side of your fears and your comfort zone. So you have to stretch through discomfort in order to get to your dreams. It's never a comfortable process. And because of that, our unconscious mind thinks that it's unsafe and it will try to keep us from doing it. To counteract that, we have to have a really compelling, good vision for what we want. We have to want it a lot, and we have to lean into it as fully as possible. We have to have a compelling vision. We have to have compelling goals that are written down on paper in order to give us the juice to counteract the fear of being uncomfortable. And we have to be willing to be uncomfortable so that we can stretch through our comfort zone. Is this making sense? If it is, write "I am stretching" in the comments below. So today's power tip is for you to take 15 minutes and actually write it down. Write down what it would look like to be fully and completely living into and stretching into that dream that you have. It doesn't even have to be a big dream to start. Just breathe and write it down. Yes, on paper, so that you can look at it, you can see it, you can read it aloud, and every day you can start to take action to stretch further and further into that dream. Did this video help you? Are you ready to stretch into discomfort? I hope so. Let me know in the comments below, and I can't wait to chat with you there after this video. If you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up and share it out with all the other powerhouses who could use some motivation and inspiration today. And if you're new here, make sure you click subscribe and ring that bell so you get notified every time new content gets posted on our channel, which is every Monday morning. And for those of you Mojo Masters who know to hang around to the end of the video, here is your bonus power tip for today. One of the most powerful ways that I've found to get my next steps is to have a morning journaling session with the divine. That's right, on paper. So get out your journal, because of course you have one, right? Right, of course you do. So get out your journal, sit down, or you can open up a new document on your computer, sit down in the morning, take a deep breath, in and out. Bring your focus to your dream, and then write this down. Hey there, unconscious mind, what is one thing I can do today to get closer to my dream? And then write down everything that comes up, no matter how silly it might seem or how weird it might seem. Write it all down until it's all done. And sometimes I fill pages with what might be the one thing. When you're done, and I always ask, is there anything else? And eventually you get a nope, there's nothing else. When you're done, say thank you. And then go through the list and choose at least one thing. And it doesn't matter if it's a baby step or it's massive action. What matters is that you're raising your vibration by getting from thought into action toward your dreams. You can totally do this. All right, that's it for today's Mojo Moment. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for being here, and I will see you in the next video.